Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Get your knees. Put your hands behind your back. I got the car. Okay. 4 Bravo 10 Central Gulf Female 1015. We can go to the channel. Sorry, let me clear the car. Yeah, go ahead. Backseat clear. What's your name?
Truck coming open. Truck coming open.
Okay. Let me read something real quick. I'm Sergeant Mike here at Daytona Beach, Georgia. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or anytime during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If any time you wish to stop talking, I have an attorney present. All questioning will be stopped.
It's a traffic stop that starts routine and quickly escalates a driver refusing to pull over despite lights and sirens for well over a mile away. What officers find once the car finally stops raises the stakes even further.
Your request, do you understand these rights?
Yes.
With these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to me? Yes or no?
I mean, I'm trying to see what I have pulled over.
Well, that's what I want to talk about, but I got to see if you're willing to talk to me about it or not.
Yeah, you can talk to me.
Okay. Why wouldn't you pull over?
Oh, because, we was in traffic and I was scared. And I just came back from my interview, my job interview.
I was following you for blocks with lights and sirens. You would put on the brakes and then keep going. We went for blocks. You knew I was behind you. You kept acknowledging me.
I knew you were behind me, but I didn't want to just stop in traffic, so I just came so I could pull over.
So you were going 50 miles an hour with me behind you with your lights and sirens. You weren't even slowing down. Why were you going 80 to begin with, which is why I stopped you? Where's your ID at?
Somebody
Hang out with her.
Oh, I
get to see.
Ma'am, is this your vehicle?
No, it's not.
Your girlfriend, what's her name?
Decker.
What's your last name?
Addison.
Four Bravo 10 Central. Can you get a female officer for a search? We'll be at 2990 South Atlantic Avenue.
What's the name of your friend?
Huh?
What's the name of your friend that owns the vehicle?
Oh, her name is Decker Addison.
Does she know you have?
That's my girlfriend, yes.
She knows you have.
I was leaving my job interview. I was trying to get back home because I got a phone call that my uncle had died. That's all. But I tried to pull over because, I didn't stop in traffic. That's why I didn't pull over, so I pulled up here.
You know, I first tried to stop you like well over a mile down the road.
Yeah, I didn't see nobody behind me. I didn't see no lights.
Ma'am, is this your firearm?
Then comes the discovery that changes everything. A firearm within reach of the driver officers now have to determine ownership, legality, and whether the weapon was truly secured or concealed in plain sight.
How long have you been suspended?
No, my.
That's where I got it.
Is this you?
Yes, but that's not.
Oh.
Yeah, that's her. That's her gun. That's not me. She probably forgot it was.
Yeah, well, it's in your possession. If do we have any narcotics? Well, do a thorough inventory of the rest of the car, and we'll go from there. I got stuff to do. Do you want this arrest? I'll write up all the tickets for it.
Put me out with it.
We have at the minimum 12 after the reckless driving charges. Because I initially had her at 56. I turned her around.
And
She's
suspended. Or not suspended,
she's-
but driving with a.
I think it's just a moving sight. I don't think it's. She does. Let's just.
10-4. Central 15, Charlie 31.
We got it on the left side.
Okay, if we have anything. Any other guns, drugs, anything like that in the car? Yeah. What's that? Yeah, I put it in the call. I've already requested it.
There you go. Ready? 1, 3.
For CH is good, which the gun's gonna stay with the car. If for CH is clear. I don't have.
Did you order it?
I ordered a CH. If for CH is clear. Have you ever been arrested for anything?
I did unload the gun. Magazine is in it, but no router in the magazine. And the gun.
He's gonna take the arrest.
Okay.
I got things to do. I'm just gonna write up all the tickets for it.
Okay. Gotcha. You got one.
2500 block.
Do you want to try to get in touch with the girlfriend since she wants to come to the car? Or
Nah, it's getting towed. Apps. We're just gonna check this trunk.
I think, we just checked it. Right on the dash.
Man.
Left hand side.
Yeah, her CH is good enough, but we'll just keep the firearm secured in the trunk.
You guys,
Okay. Yeah, we'll secure
no,
this.
that's not a rifle.
Yeah, we'll just secure the gun in the trunk.
Okay.
All right.
Poster right in the door.
Yeah. I don't think in terms of like concealed carry a firearm or anything. Well, where was the gun?
Right on the edge. I can see the edge of it underneath the seat.
Oh, she's 20. Never mind. Gun is evidence. She's getting charged with carrying a concealed firearm. She's 20. She can't have a concealed firearm. If it's not secure but hidden and easily accessible, it's a concealed firearm. Never mind. Get it back. It's
Okay.
evidence. All right. So you're getting charged with reckless driving, fleeing and eluding a police officer with lights and sirens activated, and carrying a concealed firearm. All right. Whether you agree with it or not, that's what's happening. Female officers coming to search you, and then you'll be going to our station, okay?
Okay, I'm looking at home.
You can make calls when you get out to the Volusia County Branch Jail.
So,
Where's your phone at?
my phone and my personal stuff is in her.
If you want your phone, we'll get you your phone. They only let us take certain things out there, so we'll have your ID.
Yeah, you can leave everything else. I just want my phone.
Okay, we'll get your phone. And you say it's in your purse? Yeah, but your phone's in the purse so it can go with you. There's your phone. That can also go on Officer McDowell's card. We'll give it to McDowell. Do you have enough to at least get started?
I think so.
And then I'll give you the more specific details. I'll write up the tickets and we'll go get my EMT fingerprints. Any questions for me right now?
Go get your fingerprints.
I have to go get. I was on my way to get fingerprinted.
Where's that at?
Basically in Ormond.
Yeah.
By the end of the stop, the driver was facing charges of reckless driving, fleeing and eluding a police officer with lights and sirens activated, and carrying a concealed firearm. What stood out to you most in this stop? The failure to pull over, or how the firearm situation was handled? Let us know in the comments below.